This podcast is for mental health awareness only and not a substitute for therapy. If you are struggling, please reach out to a licensed professional.
Hi everyone, this is Rucha Kare and welcome back to another episode of Mindcheck Mondays. In today's episode, we are going to talk about a topic that is very commonly discussed, stress. Now, what is stress? Stress is basically our body and mind's natural reaction to pressure, threat, which can be real or imagined. Let me explain this concept with the help of an example. Imagine that you're holding a glass of water in your hand. Now, how long do you think you'll be able to hold this glass of water? Maybe 15 minutes, max to max 20 minutes, but not more than that. After a point, your hand will start giving up. Your hand will start paining quite a lot. But because of the internal pressure that you're putting onto yourself of some kind, you might want to keep the glass steady at that. But after a prolonged period of time, your hand ultimately will give up. This is what is known as burnout. So what is burnout? Burnout is nothing but emotional, physical and mental exhaustion. Some of the signs of burnout may look like your body feeling extremely drained out. You might feel very disoriented, or you may find it very difficult to concentrate in doing mundane things. You might find it very difficult to be alert. You might fall sick quite often, or you might feel extremely sleepy. Your immunity gets a hit during this period of time. Your body will start giving you signs. Your body will start paining a little bit, which may give you a sign of giving yourself that particular break. So, coming back to our example, getting stress is very natural for our body and our mind. But holding on to it can be extremely catastrophic, which is why keeping the hand down once in a while is extremely important. This brings us to a very important segment of our episode, knowing different types of rests. There are 7 different types of rest. The first one is physical rest. It can be passive and active in nature. Passive rest is basically taking a nap, sleeping. Similarly, active rest is exercising, going to gym, doing yoga, stretching and so on. Secondly, mental rest. When we feel extremely tired mentally, we might not be able to concentrate. During this particular time, taking a break and just journaling your thoughts, whatever thoughts that you are getting, or taking a walk in nature, very important. Thirdly, sensory rest. If you are overly stimulated by senses such as crowd, noise, or even when we are working on a prolonged period of time on our screen, it can overstimulate our mind. During this time, sensory rest is very important. Dimming the light, or putting up a candle and just listening to a very light music, soothing music, can actually help our body to rest. Fourth is emotional rest. If you're tired of bottling things up, or if you're tired of putting up a strong front for yourself or others, during this particular time, having a heart-to-heart talk with a friend that you trust, or just taking a session with a therapist, or doing solo reflections can help a lot. The next type of rest is creative rest. If you are feeling extremely demotivated or uninspired, or if you're not getting any kind of good ideas and you are feeling burnt out, what you can do is you can take a piece of paper and do doodling. Or if you have any other hobby, you may try and practice those hobbies. You can watch a movie, you can be in communities that foster creativity. Similarly, the next is spiritual rest. If you're feeling your life is very meaningless, or you're feeling demotivated, or your life lacks the depth, then you can resort to spiritual rest in a way wherein you may pray, you may read soulful texts, or you may even do meditation, any kind of meditation that you are inspired by, or do any kind of volunteer work. Lastly, social rest. If you're feeling overstimulated by continuous interaction and conversations with other people, you may take out some time for yourself. As we often call it, you can take out a me time. Similarly, you can even use this social rest to connect with the people that you truly trust and foster that deep communication with. Thank you everyone for watching today's episode. If you have enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you have any other queries and you do not wish to disclose your identity, please feel free to fill the Google form link mentioned in the description below. And I will see you in the next episode. Thank you. Bye-bye.